Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Propwire to run real estate comps. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to run a comparable with a property that you own. I've been using Propwire to do this, and it's free to use, and it's a really great tool, so I highly recommend you try it out yourself as well. Now, when we first log on to Propwire, on the upper left-hand corner, we're going to enter a zip code. So we're just going to enter one over here, 97217, and then we're going to click on Oregon. So here's where you're going to enter the address, city, county, state, or zip code. Now here we have the list of homes. Now keep in mind that homes usually closer to the freeway are going to be a bit more cheaper compared to homes that are away from the freeway. Now, but this is a good example though, just because when you filter out your search results, you want to keep in mind the location of the home, whether or not it's located next to freeways or not. Now with the lead types, we're going to set this to MLS sold. And now we have around, let's see, 369 search results. So these are the homes that have been selling. Next, we're going to click on more and then click on property filters. Now this is where you want to make sure that your property aligns as closely as possible to the property that you're running a comp for. So if it's a single family home, select single family home. If it's a condo or townhouse, select condo or townhouse. So we're just going to select single family home. For the number of bedrooms, we're going to do 3 and 2. For the building size, we're going to do 2,300 square feet. So if my property is around 2,000 square feet, I normally go plus or minus 300 square feet. Now, some people tend to put the lot size or year built filters. I personally don't do this, but it honestly depends on your location though. If your home has like a bunch of homes built in different years around it, then you might want to set it by year built. But for this example, I'm just going to keep this blank. If you do care about the lot size, I normally do like plus or minus 3,000 for the lot size. So next we're just going to click on save and close. And here we have 41 search results. So this is where you're going to start scrolling through these search results and just get an idea of this data. And with this data, you could actually go ahead and export it as well. But here we have one for 409 square feet, 432 per square feet, 272. So this one's kind of an outlier. I would actually look into this and Google this home right here to see why this one was a considerably lot lower as far as the square footage goes. But that's essentially how to run a comparable using Propwire in real estate. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.